Hello everyone, what's up? It's your girl Jasmine in the building. Thank you so much for coming through my channel today. If you are new, girl, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. We got tons of good stuff on this channel. And if you want to know when I post a video, you might as well turn on your notifications. That way, whenever I post a video, you are going to be the first to know. Today, I'm going to be doing my everyday makeup look. I didn't get a request to do this, but I've been getting a lot of compliments on my Instagram about, you know, my skin and stuff, even though she's not doing so well. Girl, this makeup just be making me look all types of fabulous. So I'm gonna be showing you what I use. I'm gonna go step by step through the routine, and this is gonna be a very simple look. This is something I wear every day if I am taking like Instagram photos and I don't want like colorful eyes. I just do a simple cat eye. Hopefully you enjoy and find this useful. I vouch for all of these products. I've been using them for quite some time and I feel like I'm rambling, so let's get into it. The first thing I do is take my Smashbox Studio Skin Foundation. This is in 4.3, and I just put it all over my face. Next, I take this stippling brush from e.l.f. and I spray a little bit with my Pacifica Hydro Mist. Some of my skin peek through, even though she is not doing well at all. I was on a popping spree the other day and I went a bit overboard and it did not solve any of my problems, so it's okay. I'm human, I'm imperfect. So I take this beauty blender and I just like dab it a little bit on the skin so that way the foundation is not so dewy. I go on to the next step, which is concealer. The concealer I like to use right now, if I can find it, it's the Born This Way Naturally Radiant Concealer. So I put this concealer under my eyes as well as the center of my face. While the concealer is drying, I'm taking my Flesh Beauty stick in Espresso and I'll be applying that to the hollows of my cheek, around the perimeter of my forehead, and then I'm gonna blend it out with my beauty blender. Next, I'm taking the Born This Way setting powder in translucent medium and I'm applying that to the center of my face as well. Next, I'm gonna be doing my brows off camera, so I will be back after this brief message. And just like that, we are back. Next up, I'm taking this Huda Beauty baking and setting powder and applying that all over my face very lightly. Next up, I'm taking the e.l.f. H2O Proof Eyeliner Pen and I'm just going to be creating a simple eye look on my eyes. So next, I'm taking the e.l.f. Keep Your Curl Mascara and I'm applying that to the top lashes only. Okay, next is highlighter. I'm going to be taking this Beauty Bakery Coffee and Cocoa palette and I'm just using the Your Grounded color. Oh, it is absolutely divine. We're gonna fix it, we're gonna fix it. Yeah, so this is looking perfect. And then I put maybe some on the top, some on the chin. Next, I am taking blush. I'll be using the Becca bronzer, and this is in Maui Nights. I'm almost done with this baby, but I absolutely love it. I am taking the Pacifica Hydro Mist once more and I'm gonna just douse my face. I'm taking my NYX lip pencil in Blackberry More, and I'll be applying that all over the lips. Maybe I need a sharpener first. And then with my Smashbox Gloss Angeles lip gloss in Honey, I'm applying that all over my lips. So I'm gonna be doing my hair off camera, and I'll be right back. All right, so here is the finished look. I'm giving you glowy melanin goddess in the winter time, complete with my finger comber unit. And don't worry, I got your requests to do the hairstyle I did with the finger comber, so definitely stay tuned for that. There's gonna be a video on that very, very soon. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like these kinds of makeup videos that are simple and easy to follow. And if you want to see a specific kind of makeup look, please let me know in the comment section down below what you want to see. That is pretty much it. I want to thank you all so much for watching and supporting and subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.